Mr. Sarthak, how did you do A part?
So in A part, for the width, 2y plus 3 equals 20. So first we'll open the bracket, so it will be 2y plus 6 equals 20. So plus 6 will become minus 6 on right hand side. So 2y equals 14, and y equals 14 divided by 2, so y is 7.
Okay. Then how do I find x?
So 5x minus 3 equals 37.
Okay.
So minus 3 will go to the right hand side and become plus 3. So 5x equals 40. So x equals 40 upon 5. So x equals 8.
Mr. Satya, any doubt? Mr. Satya. Okay. Mr. Sarthak, C part.
5x minus 3 equals 3x plus 11. So 3x will come to the right hand side and minus 3 will go to the, sorry, 3x will go to the left hand side and minus 3 will go to the right hand side. So minus 3 will become plus 3 and plus 3x will become minus 3x. So 2x equals 14. So 14 upon x equals 14 upon 2, so x is 7.
Okay. How do I find y?
3y plus 16 equals 8y minus 4.
Okay.
So 8y will go to the left hand side, so it will become minus 8y, and plus 16 will become minus 16. So then this will become, so the left hand side will become,
Yeah.
so the left hand side will become minus 5y.
Okay.
And the right hand side will become minus 20.
Okay.
So then minus 5 will go to the right hand side. So minus 20 upon minus 5. Then y equals 4, minus 4.
And minus 20 upon minus 5 is equal to 4 because this will get cancelled.
Okay, so.
See, if this was minus 20 upon 5, then it would be minus 4.
Okay.
Or if it was 20 upon minus 5 again, then it will be minus 4. But if both of them, if you have negative here also, negative here also, then these two negatives will get cancelled and you'll have plus 4. So Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
How do I do E part?
So 5y plus 1 equals 16. So plus 1 will become minus 1 on right hand side. So 5y equals 15. And then y equals 15 upon 5. So y is 3.
Okay. Nice. And how do I find the second variable?
3x equals 18. So x equals 18 upon 3. So x is 6.
Satya, you have any doubt in this question, Mr. Satya?
No, sir, I understand.
See, Mr. Satya, all these are rectangles. Now, because these are rectangles, the opposite sides would be equal. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So in this question, maybe you'll use the length to find x and the breadth to find y, or maybe the breadth to find y, x, or the length to find y. Any doubt?
No, sir.
For example, in one of the lectures, we had discussed what is the isosceles triangle. Satya, what is the isosceles triangle? Mr. Satya.
So just two sides.
has two sides equal and the two angles are also equal. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, how do I solve C part?
X plus 35 equals 5x minus 3. So 5x will go to the left hand side and become minus 5x, and plus 35 will go to the right hand side and become minus 35. So x minus 5 will be minus 4x equal to minus 48. So x equals minus 48 upon minus 4. So it will become plus 12.
See, there's an easier way of doing all this. The easier way is, now look carefully at what I do. You know that if you bring this 5x to this side, it will become minus. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So rather than having a minus and dealing with a minus x, the simple way to do is bring this x to this side. Any doubt?
No, sir.
How it will help you is you don't have to deal with minuses. So this will become 5x minus x, and this will become 35 plus 13. Sarthak, any doubt? Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So this will be 48 is equal to 4x, and x will be equal to 48 upon 4. X is equal to 12. The same answer. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, usually what we are told is that 5x is equal to 30. Usually what we think is that the x term should always be on the left hand side. Now that is not right. You can have a f x terms on the right hand side also. There are times when the x is on the right hand side, the question becomes far more simpler. So can I doubt?
No, sir.
In geometry, what you need to understand is the meaning of the symbol. So what is the meaning of the symbol?
So that the two lines are equal.
So can I doubt?
No, sir.
So for example, why I'm trying to tell you is this is because in geometry again you find these kind of symbols. So for example, this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Similarly, in this figure, all the sides are equal. So can equal.
No, sir.
So that is why when they have said that this side is equal to this side, then the equation would be 4y minus 3 is equal to 2y plus 2. This is something what should I do next?
So we'll open the left hand side brackets.
Yes,
So 4y minus minus 4y minus 12 equals 2y plus 2. So 4y will go to the right hand side and plus 2.
And why do you want to take the 4y to the right hand side?
So we can take 2y here.
Yes, sir. Mr. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes.
See, I want to keep my y negative, positive. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, if I bring my 4y to this side, what I am trying to tell you is that if this equation was something like this, have you understood now? Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
In this case, what I would have done is I would have brought this here. Why? Because then my y would have become positive. Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So it would have become 6y is equal to minus 14. Therefore, y is equal to minus 14 upon 6. And what I understand is this is minus, this is plus, so there will be a minus here, and then it will be 7 upon 3. Something any doubt?
No, sir.
But in this question that we are doing, in this question, it is better that I bring this here. This will go here. Why? Because this will become 2y and this will become 14. Will become 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. So Mr. Sarthak, any doubt? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So just have a look at the equation. Just spend 5 seconds and look at the equation. Because personally, I like my x and y to be positives. It becomes a bit difficult to confusing to solve equations like this. So that is why what I'm suggesting is that try to make the x positive. But there would be times when you can't make x positive. So for example, let us assume the equation looks something like, yeah, of course, the equation looks something like this. Then you can't do much. This will be x upon minus 2 and this will be equal to minus 3. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Sarthak, have you understood the logic?
Yes, sir.
So B part. Sarthak, how can I do B part?
8y minus 5 equals 3y plus 5. So first we'll open the bracket. So 3y plus 3y plus 15. So it will be 3y plus 15.
Now what do you want to do?
So 3y will go to the left hand side and minus 5 will go to the right hand side.
So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sarthak.
So it will become 5y equals 20. So y equals 4.
So can you doubt? So can you doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, you will have to practice these questions again.
Okay, sir.
Or we will always be confused. Okay. Sarthak, have you done this? A part?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So a number, I'll put it as x.
Shabash.
So 3x plus 8 is equal to 23. So plus 8 will go to the right hand side and become minus 8.
Shabash.
So 3x equals 15. So
Shabash.
x is 15 upon 3. So x is 5.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sarthak, B part.
So a number is x. So x upon 4 minus 8 equals 5.
Shabash.
So minus 8 will come to the right hand side. So it will become plus 8. And then x upon 4 equals 13.
Shabash.
Then 4 will come to the right hand side. So 13 into 4.
Shabash. 4 with the 12. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, you need to do all these questions again and submit the homework. Yeah, before Wednesday.
Okay, sir.
Mr. Sarthak.
So a number is x. So 5x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 20.
Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Mr. Sarthak, how should I solve this?
So minus 4 will go to the right hand side and 2x will come to the left hand side. So 3x equals 24. Then x equals 24 upon 3. So x equals 8.
So tell me doubt.
No, sir.
So Sarthak default.
So a number is x. So 3x plus 7 equals 4. So just a second. Yes, sir. So it will be 3x plus 7 equals 4x.
Okay.
3x will go to the right hand side. So 7 equals 7x equals 1.
So Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So tell me doubt.
No, sir.
So Sarthak key part.
Uh, 5x. Oh, sorry. 5 plus x. Uh,
Yeah.
5 plus x into 2 equals 5x minus 14.
Next, how should I solve this?
So first we'll open the bracket. So 2x plus 10 equals 5x minus 14.
Hours.
So 2x will go to the right hand side and minus 14 will come to the left hand side. So 4 equals 3x. Then x equals 8.
So tell me doubt.
No, sir.
So Sarthak F part.
X minus 2 in brackets and into 3, and then x minus, no, so just then in bracket x minus 6 and out of the bracket it will be 7 into 7.
Okay. Nice. How should I solve this?
So we'll open the brackets. So it will be 3x minus 6 equals 7x minus 42.
Okay. Next.
We'll bring minus 40 to the left hand side and 3x to the right hand side. So it will become it will become that it will become 36 equals 4x. So x equals 36 upon 4. So the answer will be 9.
So tell me doubt.
No, sir.
So tell me what I'll advise is, please try to do whole of this exercise 9.3. Yeah. And submit the answers before Wednesday class. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
And I've already sent you, if you want, try to do question 5, question 6, question 7, and question 8. This is okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.